Hi, I'm Angel from House of Imports with the vacuum trucks. Here we have a special order, 2015 Peterbilt 365 for Mr. Mark with 120,000 original miles. And let me show you the details that we do in our trucks. We polish the whole truck, everything is a full restoration from bumper to bumper. We don't spare a dime. PPG paint, aluminum polish, aluminum wheels, custom interior. We don't fully restore, full restoration on the interior. Custom motor, big pump, NVE 887. 538 CFM, optional inlet, aluminum trays, bed lights, state-of-the-art, aluminum boxes, brand new tires, no used tires or recap, brand new aluminum wheels, grade A bolts, the best of the best, stainless steel bolts, never gonna rust. Only stainless steel. We don't cut corners. Bed lights, 2 inlets, heater valve, heavy duty bumper, big heavy duty bumper. The best of paint jobs, quality paint. We check the whole truck, suspension, brakes, whatever it needs. Polish muffler. I'd like to show you the engine compartment. Fully service the engine, new air filter, new belts, new oils. We service the whole truck before it's delivered to the customer. 100,000 mile warranty on the engine. You can see it's only by quality, built by House of Imports in Miami, Florida. Specially built for Mr. Mac.